Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to pair and how to unpair controllers with the Nintendo Switch 2 console. You're able to add a lot of controllers into your system, wireless or wired connected. First step is, of course, you are going to dock the controller. That's the Joy-Con. You can dock it on the right side. You see this will automatically pair it because it is in a docked situation on that. And then you can, of course, navigate and use your system as well. But you can perform this, of course, the other way, because this is, of course, here. This is the dock situation, and it will be automatically paired. Why? Because here is then a connected connection. Okay, the other step is we go to here to the controller settings, and you can see now how much controllers are docked with that console right now. And here we can, for example, search the controller. Do you hear that? That's the controller. So you can then take it back and search it. And of course, we can change the grip order. And that, of course, is to get a thought of it, and that's the way we are going to pair it. Then, of course, search for controllers. We can now have a look at this controller, for example, and on that controller, there is a SYNC button. Think. This is this small button over there. This is the SL, this is the SR button. This is the controller connect button. That means if we push there, on it until the LEDs start flashing, then we are in pairing mode. Here, now we are in pairing mode. And to go to pair each other, we change grip order, and then it will be automatically paired, as you can see now. And now we are able to choose this as player one, if we like, and I will come with another one, for example, get this two in pairing mode. Push on it, and then we are paired again. And now we can choose that this should be player one or that should be player one. How we perform this SRSL button. Push on it. This is now player one. If you like to perform here player two, this is player two. SR button. Really cool. But we can make more. If we have the Joy-Con 2, we can push on the L and R button together, and then we have one bunch of it. Okay, this is a set then, right and left. To pair another controller, like the Pro controller here, there is a sync button too. We push on it, let it into pairings mode, and there it is. It's paired. Now it is player number two. You see, player number two. You can perform this now at a party, and this is player number two, for example. You can also make a connection by using with the Pro controller and others with a wired connection. That means you push the USB-C cable into it and the other side on the Nintendo Switch 2 dock. And this will automatically pair your, for example, Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller with the console, the wired way. To remove them or to switch off, get them idle, and they will switch off automatically after a period of time, of course. Or you push the sync button once. And here we go again. We can now, for example, use them as one button. And if we go and push the other one button on the other controller, we can add them, for example, in this case, player number three, because this is the youngest version of pairing method. And if we are done with the pairing and the sorting, we push the down button, and then we can see the result of it. Really easy, really godlike. And then we are back in business. Here we are. It's automatically paired again, and we can use it on that console. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you on my channel. Sun.